All right, traders. So let's break down US oil. I'm recording on the 28th of March. It's 10:37 a.m. All right, let me refresh. Boom. So it is refreshing. So right here from the top-down analysis that we have a bullish trend. So right here on the monthly time frame is bullish, on the weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, 4 hour is bullish as well. So here we have the monthly time frame and it does look bullish. On the weekly time frame looks very bullish as well due to the spike on the daily time frame is bullish as well, and the 4 hour time frame is also bullish. Why is it bullish? Because the market structure of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then we got the highest high. Nothing has been broken down and nothing has been broken up, so we are still in a bullish trend. All right, so in the monthly and weekly time frame, I draw a major support and resistance level. As you guys can see, the gray area right here, here, and there. Okay, so there are several other support level and resistance level, but those are not the major one. So on the daily time frame, we do have a resistance level right here. And guess what? So the daily time frame literally broke the previous higher high and it did hold. So it did close in a full candle, and there's a higher chance that it wants to break, retest, and then moving up to the upside. So this is one good indication. And as you guys can also see, the 100 psychological level has been broken through and closed with a daily candle as well. So I'm really looking forward to on next week. If we look at here on the 4 hour time frame, we also have a beautiful resistance level that is aligned with the daily time frame. So it came up, it reject, came up, reject, came up, reject, came up, and it did close on the highest high and above the 100 psychological level, as I mentioned about before. And if we look at all the way on the left in the history, right, we also had some price action that it taps and then rejects, tap, reject, tap, reject. All what I want to focus is on the 4 hour time frame and the daily time frame because it looks very promising that we are still going higher up to 115 or to 120 on the psychological level and literally at the two resistance level right there. All right, so this is the way how I would enter and double confirm first. So since we do have a break, right, and it probably will come back down on Monday and it's going to retest the new support level. It may just play around with it and then going to the upside. And after it really goes into my direction, that it wants to reach to the next resistance level, it may touch right here, might get a fake out coming back, maybe creating a head and shoulder, break the neckline right over here, and then it's pushing back down. Because since I heard in the news that they want to end the war probably within 2 weeks, and it does match to my analysis because it does take up to 2 weeks that it goes up and then going backwards. So most of the time, I always look at the technical analysis and not the fundamental news. This is my game plan. It may go up and then pushes back down. So I really would recommend to play safe. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please comment down below what you think about the US oil, how it actually moves. And as always, you execute, you gain, you succeed. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.